This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is November 4th, 2019. This one I gotta go do a burner service. A new customer guy just called me. I don't think I've worked for this guy before. I might have. His burner needs service or annual cleaning type of thing. So we'll go by there and see what's going on with it. Give it the old once over, make sure everything's working properly.
3/4 of a mile.
Give it the old, how you doing, mama? We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Yeah, so it's back here. It's a blue back oil line, clean pump filter, good oil flow. Good. Well, I'm going to jump it out right here. Can't really jump it out the way these are. Why don't you go turn up a couple of zones?
What's that?
Why don't you go turn up a couple of the zones?
Sure,
Because the way this is, you can't really jump it. So first thing is we'll check the oil flow. The filters are dirty. Oil flow there, that's fine. Henry was quite the character.
Oh, yeah.
You know him?
I didn't know him. We moved here from out of town. So.
He had a real young wife.
Yeah, I remember.
That's what they said, she had a real young wife. I never met her.
Yeah, they were going through a divorce, which is why they sold the house.
Great. Huh? Alright, so we're getting a good draft over the front. That's good. It's not all choked up. I checked the oil flow, we're getting a good oil flow.
Good.
So the filters are still good.
Good.
We're getting a good draft over the fire, so that's not all full of soot.
Good.
So we're going to need to change the nozzle for sure. I'm familiar with this system. I've worked on it before.
Yeah,
he was one of these guys that, you know, try to fix it himself.
That in the house.
And if he couldn't do it, then he'd call me in. That's how he was.
I'm like things like the furnace, I'll call the pro.
Down at the farmhouse, he had a tankless heater on one of his boilers. He put all steel nipples in, and he couldn't figure out why his water was always rusted. It's like, you dope, you put all steel nipples in there. You gotta use brass or copper. You can't use black pipe, right? Not on water.
No.
Yeah, that's how he was.
Yeah, no, he tried to get cheap out on as much as he could.
Fly off the seat of his pants half the time.
No, I had to replace so many things in this house that he would just do himself and do it the wrong way.
Yeah, he was a slasher.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice enough guy.
Yeah, he's a fine guy.
So you're not one of these do-it-yourselfer guys, no?
I am, but there's some things I don't mess with. Like, I'll do light electrical and light plumbing, but I'm not a take apart the furnace or fix an appliance guy. Carpentry, I'm all over. I take care of that stuff. Henry was a mechanic too, so he used to mess with cars. So.
Was he? Well, he was a self-proclaimed mechanic.
Yeah, well, we'll say that. But we looked at the house, he had like 6 cars all over the lot.
Oh, did you get rid of them all?
Yeah, he had to. Had to get rid of them before we,
You told him to get rid of them all?
yeah. We weren't going to dispose his garbage.
It's a 1 gallon. Oh yeah, you don't want that aggravation, right?
No. Gotta get rid of all the cars. Clean everything out of the basement and the garage. They, when we came after the closing, they were just finishing up the, cleaning out the garage. They had been at it for like 24/7 for 3 days. Just getting all the shit out of there.
Really?
Oh, you had so much garbage in there.
It's like my garage. You know what it is? You end up collecting, right? And then the next thing you know, you got so much stuff. It's like ridiculous.
So I'm trying to get rid of stuff, but I keep getting stuff from other people. Like my mother-in-law is getting ready to move out of her house, so I'm like, all right.
Got a big cellar down. It's
It's
a big house.
It's a big house with a big cellar. But I got all this old antique furniture and stuff I need to get rid of.
I'm gonna set them down a little bit. What he used to do was, he owned a mill in New Bedford. That's what he used to do, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he wasn't no mechanic. He owned a mill for sewing machines in New Bedford. That's how he made his money. Yeah, until they shipped everything overseas. Remember back in the day they had all the mills in New Bedford?
Oh, yeah, all over the place. New Bedford, Fall River.
And then they started the free trade agreement shit and everything went overseas. Now they're trying to bring the jobs back.
Yep.
They'll never get them all back.
No, because now you don't have a workforce that's trained at all.
Yeah, all the old Portuguese ladies used to do the sewing machines and stuff.
Yeah, not anymore.
Nope.
No, these younger kids, they don't even know how to drive a car, most of them. They don't know how to sew. They don't know basic. They don't even teach home ec or wood shop or anything like that in school anymore.
No?
Unless you go to a trade school, which is what I think more people should do.
What are they teaching in school now? Same-sex marriage?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's what they teach in school
now. It's not my
now.
place to tell people how they should live their life.
Yeah. Start it up. Wheel starts. I'm gonna have to adjust the air band a little bit. Start it up nice. I reset those electrodes to give you a little bit more get the spark a little closer, you know. Okay, yeah, one of those.
Oil fire.
Anything over 50 gallons, you have to go with that hybrid now.
Oh, is that the new code?
That's a new code. Anything over 50 gallons would be that. Alright, we're getting good. We're getting good draft over the fire there. That's good. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of those things.
Yeah.
Well, you know, anything. It's a heat pump.
Yeah.
You're gonna save a ton of. It might save some on it. I'm not sure.
Well, our first year here, we went through 4 tanks of oil. The second year, we went through 2 tanks. It's different. So we got that, and we did some insulation and air sealing up here too. And then cut
So
off
what, you used to have a storage tank there before?
Yeah, I used to have an oil-fired storage tank. Yeah.
Okay, so you went with that. So how much you got? You got to pay the electric now. That's the only thing.
Yeah, it doesn't make a big difference.
It's not much of a difference.
No, not at all. Certainly not.
All right, new nozzle, reset electrodes, good oil flow, good draft over fire, good boiler pressure. So we know the filters are good because we had good oil flow. Good draft over fire means this thing's not all full of soot. And boiler pressure was good at 20. We know the relief expansion tank's still good.